Hello everyone, welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to disable Shopify payments on Shopify. Now, before we get started, you will need an account on Shopify so you can get a 3-month free trial down below with a link in the description. So let's get started. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to head over to settings in your Shopify dashboard and you go to payment providers. There, you'll see an option under the payment providers, you will have Shopify payments. From there, what you want to do is you want to go to manage right here, and then at the very bottom of the next page you will see an option to deactivate Shopify payments. Now this will complete the process, but if you run into any issues you can always go and contact Shopify support. Now keep in mind that once you once you remove the Shopify payments, if you don't have any other alternative like Stripe or PayPal, you won't be able, even if you have a shop online, you won't be able to receive payments. So make sure you're not, you have alternative payment method ready to set up on your store, because again, if there are like 1 or 2 minutes that you don't have Shopify payments on your store, it will be the case that maybe your customers won't be able to purchase from your store. So make sure to do this while your store is under construction, or maybe while you don't have a lot of traffic coming to your store. So again, if you want to try out Shopify for yourself, maybe you are a beginner, you can get a 3-month free trial down below in the link in the description. And we'll see you in the next upcoming video. Thank you guys for watching.